Hi, Empowered Champions. Welcome to another video. So, in this video, I want to talk to you about 5 financial habits that you need to incorporate in your lives daily. All right. So, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vivek. And on this channel, we talk about ways that you can make money online, passive income ideas, money saving tips, freelancing. We talk about budgeting. We talk about general ways in which we can achieve financial freedom. All right. So, the first one is that you need to set financial goals. What are your financial goals? Is it that you want to have a certain amount of money? Is it that you want to buy a house, buy a car? Is it that you want to clear off some debts that you have? Whatever your financial goals are, you need to set those goals at and in a timely manner so that you can achieve them, and that will help you to improve your lives daily. All right, so we can't just go about not having any goals or anything that we want to achieve. So financially, you have to set your goals and the timeline in which you want to achieve those goals. All right, guys. So the next thing that you want to do is to create and stick to a budget. Guys, I have other videos on this channel where I talk about budgeting and I talk about things that you need to avoid or mistakes that persons make when budgeting. So you have to create a budget and you have to stick to it, right? You need to ensure that you are looking at your income and your expenses and ensure that your expenses do not surpass your income, right? And I have videos, as I said, about ways that you can budget and budgeting tips that you can incorporate. So you have to ensure that your expenses are down to a minimum, that they don't exceed your income. And guys, you need to track your expenses as well, especially some expenses that you may no longer be using. Then you need to ensure that you are tracking your expenses and that you're sticking to your budget so that you can eliminate whether you do your budget monthly, weekly, however quarterly, however you do it. You have to ensure that you stick to your budget, and you ensure that your expenses are at a minimum so that you can save and you can also invest. Another tip that you can another financial habit that you can incorporate in your life is to at least save 10% of from your paycheck, whether monthly, fortnightly, however you get paid. And one way that you can do that, or two ways that you can do that, is either you can do it by salary deduction. If salary deduction is not available for where you work, then you can set up something like a standing order that every time your paycheck hits your account, then a specific amount, preferably 10% of that amount, can be sent to a different account, a savings account that you are saving for example, an emergency fund that you're building, or you have that savings account where you are building it up to a point where you want to probably transition it to an investment account, right? So try as much as possible to save at least 10%. If 10% is maybe too much for you, then you can probably do 5% or any amount that is convenient for you based on your salary. But the point is that you need to save some money from your paycheck. All right. The other tip is to check your account balances daily. So it is advisable to check it because sometimes or anything can happen where probably you will have your account and it may become hacked, or some illegal transaction was done on your account and you are not aware of it. So until probably like further down, you maybe checking your account and realizing that something happened probably maybe a couple days ago or a week ago. So it is advisable to just to keep track of your balances in your account. I know for me, a financial institution that I join, they, well, even though I check my account still, they normally send the account balances um normally on a weekly basis. I think sometimes I might see maybe 2 times for the week, but I normally see the email from them regarding the amount that I have in my account, right? So that's another financial habit that you need to incorporate in your lives, right? You have to ensure that you are checking on your finances. I mean, you work very hard, you make a lot of sacrifices to build your account, so you have to ensure that you're keeping a tab on it and to ensure that everything is okay. The final tip is that try to pay your bills on time. Whatever bills, if you have your rent, your mortgage, your utilities, your credit cards, bills, any bill, just try to ensure that you pay them on time, because when you pay them on time, you're building up your credit score, right? And you are able to access, if you want to get a loan, you'll be in a good standing, because based on your history of payment and honoring your obligations, this will help you to be in a like a financial health stage, right? So you will be able to be able to access some other benefits, based on your payments and all. And guys, it don't look good when you don't pay your bills. It really don't look good. But if you're having challenges in terms of making your payments on time, then it is advisable that you speak to the respective organizations and talk to them about the issues that you are having. It is better to do that than to avoid paying the bills. Then you end up with this, arrears keep piling up, and doesn't it doesn't go well with your financial standing. So it is advisable that if you're having challenges in paying your bills on time, then you speak to them, let them make some arrangement with you that it is more what you could say, like affordable, or maybe easier for you to make those payments. And then sometimes they may, if there's any like interest or penalties, they may waive it because you took the action to go into them and explain your situation to them, that you're having challenges, and then they will see the genuineness in you wanting to be current, to keep current. And we all know life happens, things happens, things happen, and this is, as I said, it's best to let them know that you are experiencing these challenges and that they can work out a better solution for you. So guys, if you like the content, please subscribe, please like. We on this channel, we talk about ways that we can help each other financially in achieving our goals, side hustle ideas, ways that you can save money, and such to like. So if you like the content, guys, please subscribe, please like the videos. It really helps the channel to go to more persons, that other persons can see it. So please like the videos, please comment, engage engage with me on the channel. Let me know what other tips you have incorporated in your life that we can all learn. So guys, please subscribe again, please like the videos, share the videos, tell a friend to tell a friend. So guys, take care, and I'll see you in another video. Bye champions.